on to part 2, which was requested by one person, so I'll show them. And so I'm going to be showing you guys what I did to the lawnmower, and then I'm going to be doing a new startup video for y'all. So, most importantly, we got this gas pedal going here, which is quite nice. This is not the actual gas pedal side, this is just the connecting side that does all the work and stuff. So we got that over there working. This pulls that and that pulls that. I'm actually gonna have to, let me see how I can do it now. I'm actually gonna slow down the idle a little bit just to get a little more throttle control. And I did a little painting, not much, just to the front and the air box. I think that looks pretty sweet, like that. You know what I'm saying? So, and we also have a really small pulley back there. And then I'll pop this off and show you. So we had to build our own belt tensioner because it was very hard to find a belt that fit, and it kept smoking the belts. So let me just show you guys what we did here. Hold on a second. So we got this thing we built. I'll show you guys that. Now this pulley does need replaced. It squeals and it's really loud, but that's the point. So we got these bearings on this rod here. The belt just runs around there, so this is stuck here, so this doesn't hit that into that and it rubs. So I'm gonna put that back together. I'm gonna do a quick startup to demonstrate the gas pedal for you guys. So I don't know if you're gonna be able to see it like this. Yeah, there it is right there. It's quite smaller than the original one. It's actually way smaller than the original one. It's less than half the size of the original one. And the lawnmower itself goes a lot faster. I just can't drive it for you guys today because that thing is gonna mess up. The new start button on there. So I'm gonna show you guys how that works. I'm gonna show you guys the gas pedal. Make sure it's in neutral. Hopefully the battery's not dead. Let's just get a little. I'm gonna have to, actually no I'm not. I'm gonna be able to do this. Well, I'm gonna probably tell from that, she sounds pretty freaking sweet, dude. So I'll do a riding video in the next episode. Thank you guys for watching. Appreciate it. Gas pedal looking nice. That looks great. See you guys.
Good night, it was UT. You probably wanna beat me. Take a walk around.